What is an ecosystem? What is an ecosystem? The ecosystem is made of many different habitats. One habitat is the woodland habitat. This habitat is shady and moist. It contains trees and ferns and animals such as squirrels. The desert habitat is dry and sunny. It contains plants such as the cactus and animals such as snakes and lizards. Chlorophyll is something that is found in plants. Chlorophyll gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll traps energy from the sun. The plant uses chlorophyll to change sunlight into sugar. Photosynthesis is the way that plants get their energy from the sun. Plants change light energy into sugar. The equation is carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight makes sugar, oxygen, and water. Again, sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water makes oxygen, sugar, and water. How living things get energy. There are two types of organisms: producers and consumers. Producers are plants. They use sunlight to make sugar, so they make their own food. Consumers get energy by eating plants and other organisms. So producers make their own food, and consumers get their food by eating. Organisms can also be grouped into 5 groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and decomposers. Herbivores are consumers that eat plants. So, for example, panda, a rabbit, a deer, a grasshopper. These are all herbivores. They only eat plants. Then we have carnivores, are consumers that eat other consumers. So, they are animals that eat other creatures. For example, a shark, a crocodile, a Gila monster, and a piranha. These are all examples of carnivores. Then we have omnivores. Now, omni means everything. So an omnivore consumes both plants and animals. Examples of omnivores are pigs, raccoons, bears, and yes, humans. The last 2 groups are scavengers and decomposers. A scavenger is an animal that eats dead animals. Here we see a vulture, and the vulture is eating the meat from a dead animal. Decomposers are consumers that put materials from dead plants and animals back into the soil, air, and water. Examples of decomposers are mushrooms, earthworms, and bacteria.